It is 7:49. Graham, I think, was up at 6:30 this morning. He had to go to work. I don't know why I'm moving my thing, but he had to go to work this morning. And then Charlotte woke up at like 6 o'clock, but I think, yeah, Graham woke up at 6:30. And then we went back, I went back to sleep, and then we woke up at like 7:30. Well, now both kids and I are downstairs. We're just gonna enjoy the day. The sun is out. I barely have any picking up to do in the living room, which is nice. My kitchen table doesn't have very much stuff on it either. I just gotta wash bottles today and empty the dishwasher. But other than that, yeah, I just gotta finish my 2 loads of laundry that I did last night that I have to put away, which won't take that long. But Graham will get done with work early today at like 4 o'clock, 4:30. So we'll get to hang out with him. I don't know what the weather's gonna bring us, but I know it's supposed to be a nice weekend. So we will see what the day brings. I'm just pretty excited to have a nice, relaxing weekend with the family. So there's that. But other than that, I don't know what else to tell you guys, you know. I gotta figure out what else I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to maybe go down the basement today. And I gotta finish my 4th of July wreath. I gotta finish filming that so I can post that either today or tomorrow. But other than that, you guys have a nice day. And I'll see you. Hey, you guys. So it is 11:02. Charlotte went to bed maybe 30 minutes ago. I don't remember. I put her to bed and then I take a shower right away. But she's been sleeping. I just called my mom real quick. I was thinking she has stuff to give us. And she lives 2 hours away. But she has stuff to give us. And then she has Charlotte's birthday present. I have stuff to give her. Her birthday's like right after a couple days after Charlotte. There's something that I actually do want to get her. So I was thinking of ordering it for her. And then I called her. I says, hey, would you be interested maybe meeting an hour, you know, between? So I would drive an hour, she would drive an hour, and we would meet in the middle. And basically what we would do is just sit in the car and talk, and then I think we'd just get some food somewhere and then still just eat lunch and sit in our own cars and just talk, and then we'd exchange our stuff. Because I haven't seen her since February, and we don't know when this thing's going to end, and we don't know when, you know, it's going to be. But I mean, I want her to come stay with us because in her area there hasn't been any new cases in a couple weeks, which is surprisingly, like she lives in near a bigger city, but where her area is, there haven't been any like new you know, tests or anything unless people are traveling. But I thought, you know, maybe me and her could just meet up somewhere, the kids and I could just roll down the window. We'll just have a, you know, make sure it's nice outside for the windows to be rolled down. And she's like, yeah. So I gotta see if Graham wants to do that, but it's just easier doing it that way. We could just sit and chill, even if it's like an hour, you know, we can sit and chill instead of, you know, mailing stuff to each other. So I gotta talk to Graham about that. But then she was hanging out, or she was going somewhere, and so I'm like, okay, I'll just call you later. But I am finally sitting down to watch the rest of that movie that I started yesterday, Big Band and Compass. I never finished it. I just pretty much like edited my video and they got the kids ready for bed, and then I pretty much went to bed. Charlotte slept good last night. She slept until about, I already said that, I think she slept until 6. But I've been really craving water all of a sudden, so I'm drinking some water. I'm finishing last of the soup that I made. I did freeze half of it and I kept the rest of it. And so I've been looking into making more freezer meals or whatever, but I need to like get rid of a lot of stuff in my freezer or organize a lot of stuff. I really would like an upright freezer than a chest freezer. So I'm gonna see if maybe Graham and I can maybe, you know, think about seeing how much an upright freezer would cost instead of a chest freezer. Just because it's more organized, we can see stuff in there. So we're gonna look, I'm gonna see if we can look into that. But yeah, I've been wanting to make more freezer meals just to have them ready to go. You know, hey, what do you want for dinner? I don't know, let's just check the freezer. I want to be more prepared, and you guys are really enjoying, like, you know, cooking videos. And that's what I want to turn my channel into more, is 50%, you know, saving money, like, you know, and preparing, saving money on food and, you know, preparing and all that stuff and crafts and everything. But then the other half is, you know, couponing. So that's kind of what I want to do. it's kind of what I want to turn my channel into, like 50-50. I mean, I still won't, you know, not stop doing what I'm doing for couponing, but I just want to bring more things. I might even do daily vlogs for the rest of the year. I don't know. The only reason why I do this is something for you guys to watch. This gives me some insanity because for a while, right when this whole thing started, I was like super depressed, and you guys saw it. I was in tears. I'm like, this is never gonna end. But I feel like there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I mean, it is a dangerous world out there, but as long as you take precautions, you know, you're not touching things and all that stuff, we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're all in this together. But I'm just, you know, trying to look at the positive note. You know, we're not taking our kids out and about. You know, Graham and I, if we have to run somewhere, we go on our own, which is nice. You know, Ben's like, when can I go to the store? We don't know, Ben. We have no idea, which is actually nice, not taking the kids with. But other than that, you know, I just, you know, want to just do some more things. And, you know, I keep saying this. I'm sometimes a broken record, but I mean, I do want to organize more. But, you know, I want to, but I think if I just do it in my vlogs instead of making separate videos for that, I might do that. But I'm just going to enjoy my soup. It's, like, still hot, I think. It's, like, I don't like my food super hot. Like, Graham pretty much will eat it straight out of the oven. No, I can't. I got to, like, let it cool down. That's why he's like, Jennifer, come and eat. And I'm like, Graham, I'm not in a huge hurry because I like my food, you know, cooled down. And then he gets mad at me because I'm not sitting down. I'm like, Graham, number one, I don't like my food extremely hot like he does. And number two, I'm a slow eater. I just enjoy it. He just gobbles it right up. And I'm just a person who just takes my time and eat it. You know, this is how I do. Plus, I deal with both the kids when it comes to eating too. So, I'm going to just sit and chill for a little bit. And yeah, my living room's actually not that bad, which is actually pretty good. My kitchen table's not that bad. I should probably just run the dishwasher again, but it's like only halfway full. But yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs and probably a little bit open some windows once it starts warming up a little bit, just kind of work on some things. So I'll take you guys downstairs when I go down there, but I'm gonna eat my lunch. Okay, you guys, so it is 3:48. I rented some movies from the library because Ben's been wanting to watch a couple different movies that are not available on streaming. So we are going to the library and dropping off the movies and picking up some more movies. Plus, we just need to get out of the house. Whoa, really whited out. So that is what we're going to be doing right now. Ben is driving me nuts because he wants to he's bored, and I've been playing with him, and it's like, I can't do anything else. So let's go for a little ride. Yeah, we just went for a walk. I would have brought my camera, but it was so windy outside. My hair is just like all a mess. But yeah, we walked. It was like over there, and then over there, and then over there, and like way over there. It was probably like a good, what, 30-minute walk back and forth. So yeah, kids are in the back. Now we're gonna go get some ice cream. We picked up Graham as we were coming back from the library. We picked him up. So yeah, now it's 5:27, so we're gonna go get some ice cream. So we're sitting in the vehicle right now. Charlotte's on my lap. Graham just went inside. He's gonna order, and then I'm gonna go and get my stuff. But I farted. No, you did not, Benjamin. I did. You're a stink butt. Yeah, I know. Hey, you guys, it's like 8:31. I forgot my camera in the car, so that's why we're in the van right now getting the camera. But I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed right now. We're just kind of jamming to some kids' music on Alexa right now. We're listening to It's Raining Tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. I love that song. And Charlotte's like, oh, I'm gonna put some glasses on. Yeah, so we did a nice family walk today. I was pretty excited with that. Then we went and got some ice cream. They were giving away free milk, so that was kind of cool. And then we just kind of just hung out at home and eating pizza and all that stuff. But it was just a nice relaxing night. I think tomorrow's going to be a good day too. So we're going to go for a walk tomorrow. Aren't we, McDowell? Yeah, just get some stuff done. Yeah. Yeah, but we'll probably just stay at home all day tomorrow. We'll walk around the neighborhood, but we'll just stay at home all day. So there is that. I hope you guys had a nice relaxing day with me. I just needed a day, you know, just to hang out with the kids. I still have not finished that movie yet, you guys. Like, I've been watching it off and on, but every time I, you know, sit down, Ben's like, can I watch something? I'm like, yeah. So I'm like, still haven't watched The Big Man in Campus. I think I got like 30 minutes of it left, so I gotta finish that. And then funny thing is, we went to the library, and I rented, for myself, I rented One Fine Day and Ever After. Ben got the Lorax, Box Trolls, and I can't remember the other one. Oh, Shark Tales. And then the library ended up giving us an extra movie, just because they put a note saying, hey, we gave you an extra movie to watch, and it was Spies in Disguise. Funny thing is, I just rented that from Netflix, and I just sent it back like 2 days ago, so I'm like, that's fine. But right now, like, usually we have to bring movies back in like a week. They're giving us a month to bring them back, which is kind of cool. But I'll just... She's like, what? What happened? But, you do it again, you little stink butt. Don't do it again. I don't think she realized what she did. But yeah, we're just gonna go and get ready for bed and have a nice relaxing night. Oh, she's driving now. She's driving. Okay, so we will see you guys all later. This weekend will be a whole lot better, and hopefully we get some stuff done. I know Grandma and I want to clean out the freezer, so there is that. I also started working on some meals that I'm going to be planning on working over the next couple months, weeks, whatever. I know right now it's hard to go grocery shopping, so I'm just trying to figure out stuff that I can get in advance. But other than that, I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.